Hey guys. So recently I was talking to a parent and had a really interesting discussion about breaking a generational dysfunction in a family or generational curses, however you want to label it, right? And so many times people think I'm just going to do the opposite. That's what I thought. It's like when I had, my kids, I made a whole bunch of promises about things I would never do with my kids. I wasn't going to spank them. I wasn't going to cuss at them and call them names, any of these things that I had seen growing up, right? Mind you, those are great goals to have as a parent, and I was a young parent. But just doing the opposite of what you saw or what you experienced is not that's not the end of the equation, right? So one is, okay, I'm not going to do that, but what am I going to do instead of, right? To replace. So, okay, I'm not going to dog my child out or beat the shit out of them, but what am I going to do when they do something that makes me unhappy? When they do something I believe is wrong or that may be harmful to them, what am I going to do? And so I want to challenge all of you who may have grown up in some homes, maybe like myself, who may have seen and experienced things that you believe are dysfunctional, destructive, abusive, and that you want to do better. I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you to not to say what you won't do. I want you to look back at the whys, do some healing from those things that you've experienced or that you saw, and then dig down and find some new strategies to replace. What do you do when your child does some crazy shit? You're like, the hell? Like, what do you say? How do you appropriately respond? How do you help that child to grow and develop? So we know how not to stunt them, but how do you make them grow and develop? That's the question. So for all you who are out there trying to make those changes within yourselves and your family, think about it. All right, guys. Talk to you later.